Well, of course, lobbyists are representatives of special interests. Now, they have a right to appear here and to talk to us and so on, but they've got to comply with existing law. Existing law requires them to file rather complete information about who they're lobbying for, how much they're being paid, what their lobbying interests are, and so forth. I was extensively lobbied in the constitutional session by various groups that were trying to protect consumer protection clauses from being embodied in the new Constitution. I was irritated by it, and I looked into the law, and I found that some of these lobbyists were not filing complete information, and I suspected, although I didn't know, that some of them weren't filing at all, and therefore were violating the law. Well, nobody should be above the law, including lobbyists. This is my interest.
How about State Department heads?
State Department heads and employees have never happened to bother me at all. I think in past years they came up here a great deal and lobbied people and became very obnoxious, as a result of which the law was passed which included the definition of lobbyist, any representative of State Department and agency. However, that situation was cured to a great degree some while back when Governor Harrison and later Governor Godwin simply told the heads of the department to stay home, and they all did. Now, a few of them may have forgotten it and will be coming up here again, but on the whole, this problem vanished after the governors told them not to do it.
Do you feel the lobbyists as a whole are abusing their privileges?
No, I don't think so. I think that, however, the public's entitled to know who they are, how much they're being paid, which is the measure of what their employer thinks their effectiveness is, and what the field of their lobbying is. I think that law has not been complied with because the Secretary of the Commonwealth has not understood her duties and says she's not able to comply with them in filing reports with all the legislators, and because some lobbyists have forgotten the law or stepped aside from the law, have not complied with it. I think that's wrong, and if they're going to meet with prosecution and complaints if they don't fully comply with that law.